Samsung just did it again. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is here and it's a total game changer. I mean, just looking at the phone alone on this my laptop screen, it's stunning display, the next level performance, and the crazy camera feature is, oh my god, this phone is something everyone will be talking about for the next few days. Now let me show you why this phone is worth the hype. This is Better Review and welcome back to another video. Okay, now let's start with the design of this phone. It is sleek, it is bold, and it looks so premium. Samsung went with more rounded corners and flat edges this time, which makes it feel great in the hand. And for the display, man, the display is beautiful. Like, it's super beautiful. You get a massive 6.9-inch AMOLED screen with a 2K resolution. That means everything looks crisp from YouTube videos to gaming on the phone, and it's also super bright, hitting up to 2600 nits, so even under the sun it's still clear for you to see. Plus, with a 120 Hz refresh rate, scrolling feels super smooth. Under the hood, this beast phone packs the latest Snapdragon 8 Elite chip and 12GB of RAM. That means it's insanely fast. Whether you are gaming, you are editing videos, or you are juggling tons of apps in it, this phone handles it all without breaking a sweat. Samsung even upgraded the cooling system with a bigger vapor chamber, so it still stays cool even during long gaming sections like your usual Call of Duty gaming. Now for the camera, let's talk about the camera, because this is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra shines the most. The main camera is a 200 megapixels. Yes, you had me right, a 200 megapixel. That means your photos are super sharp and you can zoom in without losing details. It also has a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens, so you can fit more into your shots. Perfect for landscapes or group photos, and with AI upgrades like the object aware engine, it adjusts to lightning automatically for clearer night photos and amazing portraits. And one thing I also noticed about this phone is that it comes with an AI feature. Yeah, this phone is smart, like really smart. It comes with new AI tools like Now Brief, which gives you updates on everything happening in your day, and audio eraser, which removes background noise from your recordings. It's all powered by this Samsung One UI 7, making your life easier. And for the battery life is insane. Yeah, you had me right, the battery life of this phone is insane. You get up to 31 hours of video playback. That's over a full day of heavy use. And Samsung didn't just make it powerful, they made it tough for you to use. It has a titanium frame and a coming Gorilla armor, 2 glass for a better drop protection and scratch resistance. Oh, and it's also water resistant too, with an IP68 rating. Now let's talk about the price of this Samsung S25 Ultra. The Galaxy S25 Ultra starts with at $1,299, just like last year's model. Is available for pre-order now and officially hit stores on February 7, 2025. I mean, today that I'm making this video was when they launched it, that's on January 22nd, but it is hitting store on February 2nd, 2025. So if you're ready for the ultimate smartphone, this is it, and if this is what you should get. So What do you think about this phone? Is the Galaxy S25 Ultra the phone you've been waiting for, or you are still going to wait for a more better phone than this S25 Ultra, which I think Samsung will still come out with a more better phone than this Samsung S25 Ultra. So let me know in the comment section, and for Samsung, if you're watching, please hit me up, because I need one of this phone for my editing and my recording of video, because I still use my Samsung Galaxy A04 for recording my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech reviews like this. And you know what it is, until next time, it's been Betel and I'm signing out. Peace.
What happens when great intelligence meets unstoppable power? A new universe of possibilities is born, boosted by a customized processor that's the Galaxy's most powerful ever.